Good morning, what's up mga boss? So happy Friday to everyone. Time check 6:15 AM and right now papunta na ako sa first client ko. And medyo pangit yung tulog ko ngayon pero mag-show up tayo and let's go, samahan niyo ulit ako. Alright guys, nandito na ako sa tapat ng gym. So kainin ko na to first meal ko. Ang 4 piece of wheat bread. Puro carbs lang to, tapos training na rin tayo pag open ng gym. Kasi yung training program ko designated para dito sa gym lang. Kasi nandito lang yung mga machine na need. So kainin ko lang to. Post-workout, creamy seafood na ramen, tsaka chicken breast, 400 grams. Ito yung kanya. Sarap. Mamaya ko niya merienda. Last meal, 3 eggs and 300 grams of rice. Okay guys, that's it for today. So pang day 19 ng cutting pace natin. Ito yung last bang cake. Ito yung last meal natin, panghimagas. Lagay ko na dito yung macros. And that's it for today. See you tomorrow. Leg day tayo and arms. Peace.